In aviation maintenance, every task must be signed off both by the mechanic and the inspector to ensure that the task is done correctly. EAM360 mobile app makes this process faster and easier. It captures the sign-off at the point of work, even in remote or offline locations, improving productivity significantly. The technician can use the app to view the assigned tasks, update the work log, and sign off the task digitally. Once the technician signs off, the app displays the tasks for the inspector and required inspection items for review and sign-off. The digital signature is stored as an image attachment of the task in Maximo. The task card report can then be printed with the technician and inspector's signatures and kept for regulatory compliance. For more information, please schedule a demo with us at EAM360.com.